We hope you enjoy the trip. Last stop for fuel before we start roaming around. As we approach our destination, we stop at Manny Lake to take in the sights of the beautiful mountain ranges that encompass this area. As we stretch our legs and get ready for the last leg of the journey on our way to the Alvord Desert, we can't help but take in the beauty that surrounds us. As we move closer to the Alvord Desert, we find that flooding is happening around the region. The Steens Mountain is located in the southeast part of Oregon. It is the largest fault block mountain located in Henry County. It stretches some 50 miles north to south and rises from the west side of the Alvord Desert at the elevation of 4,200 feet and to the summit elevation of 9,738 feet. Steens Mountain is not part of a mountain range, but is a single mountain, the largest of Oregon's fault block mountains.
Fajitas! Yay! And we're gonna have them in the desert. What are you making?
Meat. It's a man's meatly meat.
Maybe some gourmet carne asada with a slight pepper.
Look at that view. Here's our little kitchen right here.
What you doing?
Making somebody special dinner.
Do I get to meet this somebody that's special?
Only if you're really, really good. Take a bite. How is it? Coors Light does a body good. As night is falling upon us, we sit and enjoy the view from our hilltop camp, feeling blessed to have a silent, peaceful, relaxing evening with no one else around us. As we overlook the PALAYA, we eagerly await for the next day. As we drive away from our hilltop camp, we can't help but to look back and be grateful that we have a Jackery. Combs' final run across Oregon's Alvord Desert on August 27th reached speeds of 522 miles per hour before her crash, which broke the existing women's land speed record of 512 miles per hour, set in 1976 by Kitty O'Neill at the same location. Combs died on August 27, 2019, after crashing a jet-powered car while setting a land speed record as part of the North American Eagle project on a dry lake bed in the Alvord Desert. The crash was caused by a failure of the front wheel, likely caused by hitting an object in the desert, which caused the front wheel assembly to collapse at a speed nearing 523 miles per hour. Jessi Combs was a professional racer in the Baja 1000 and Ultra 4, as well as an avid off-roader. Hi everyone, how are you? Guess what? We went for a little trip, and I'll kind of show you where. So see those mountains right over there? We're camped right at the base of them. And this is the Alvord Desert in Oregon. Here. Where are we at?
The Alvord.
What's that?
The PALAYA.
Where at?
Oregon.
Where are we camped?
Base of those mountains.
So tell me, what mountain range are we in?
The Steen.
The which ones?
Steen?
Steen? Or Stein?
Steen. Steen Mountains. S-T. Steen.
The ground looks incredibly fast at 70 miles an hour. I can't even imagine 522 miles an hour as she raced across the desert. As our day comes to a closing at the Alvord Desert and we move on to our next destination, I am already anticipating our next adventure at the Alvord Desert.